This is Daisy Margaret.
In today's video, we are about to discuss Class 8, Unit 18, Organization of Life, book back questions and answers. State true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one, in hypotonic condition, concentration of the external and the internal solution of the organism are same. False. The correct statement is the concentration of external solution is less compared to the concentration of internal solution of the organism. Second one, diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of lower concentration to higher concentration. Answer is false. Correct statement, diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to lower concentration. Third one, human beings are warm-blooded in nature. The answer is true. Fourth one, the larynx has fold of tissue which vibrate with the passage of air to produce. The answer is true. Fifth one, aqueous humor plays an important role in maintaining the shape of the eye. The answer is true. Answer very briefly. First question, what is cell differentiation? The answer is our body develops from single cell called zygote. The zygote undergoes mitotic division to form many cells of different shape, size and content. These cells attain change in the structure and function, which is called cell differentiation. Second one, state different types of tissues. The answer is, depending on the basis of their structure and function, tissues can be classified into four types. Epithelial covering tissue for protection, muscular contractile tissue for the movements and locomotion, connective supporting tissue for binding different structures of body, nervous tissue for conduction of nerve impulses. Third one, mention the function of alveoli. The answer is alveoli are tiny sacs in the lungs. They are the workhouses of the respiratory system. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide take place in the alveoli of the lungs. Fourth one, name the processes by which air enters and comes out of our lungs. Answer, the process of taking air into the lungs is called inspiration or inhalation. The process of expelling air from the lungs is called expiration or exhalation. Fifth one, differentiate between osmoconformers and osmoregulators. The answer is, there are two major types of osmoregulation. Osmoconformers, these organisms try to maintain the osmolality of their body matching with their surroundings. Most of the invertebrates, marine organisms are osmoconformers. Osmoregulators, these organisms maintain their internal osmolality, which can be extremely different from that of the surrounding environment through physiological processes. Sixth one, define metabolism. The answer is, metabolism is the sum of chemical reactions by which living organisms sustain their life. Metabolism consists of anabolism, the buildup of substances, and catabolism, the breakdown of substances.
If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.